guys, and welcome to today's video. Today's location is so weird. I am literally on a highway right now. We are going to Dolphinarium, which is like an aquarium where you have dolphins, and also there are a lot of different other sea creatures. The weather is amazing today, by the way. It's nice and sunny, so we just decided to go like yesterday night. And also the travel is almost like 2 hours, which is so long, like if you live in the Netherlands. So yeah, I'm just so excited to go and see dolphins today because I love them. आज का ब्लॉग हिंदी में होने वाला है और अभी हम लोग का एकदम बस में है। बहुत सारा दूसरा मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट है जो हम लोग को चेंज करने का है। हम लोग फाइनली उसके बाद 2 घंटे बाद पहुँचेंगे डॉल्फिन। Look at this cherry blossom tree, you guys. Oh my god, and there's like one at the back as well, and there's also one over there. Pretty. You guys, we are finally at this one stop, and from here now it's just like the stop for the dolphinarium, and then we have to walk like for 10 minutes. We had to change, like, so we were in the bus first, then we had to go in a train, and we also like missed few buses here and there because we were just not paying attention on like the map and stuff like that. But anyways, because here like the bus won't stop on every single stop, you need to like press a button, so it will just stop on those stops. So that mishap happened, but anyways, now we are finally almost going to reach there. And these connecting buses are like almost like in 20 minutes and stuff like that, so that's why I feel like it's taking much more longer. It's currently like 12:30 and we left the house at 10:25. So yeah, it's been like almost 2 hours now and we are still not there, and I'm so tired. I have not eaten anything, so I'm also hungry. And yeah, I feel like when I go see the dolphins I'll feel much better and I won't feel hungry then. But yeah, now let's just wait. And also it's like so windy. It's the weather is really nice. It's nice and sunny, but it's also windy, but it's not cold windy. So and then we again have our pretty tulips. So guys, we need to wait for 30 minutes for our bus. So we are going to go to this mall. यहाँ पे सारे बुक्स डच में है, तो वी कैन नॉट गेट एनीथिंग। ये एरिया मॉल नहीं है, मुझे लगा मॉल है, बट रैंडम दुकानें हैं, वो भी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है। ऐसा लग रहा है हम लोग रैंडमली ऐसे एक नए सिटी में आ गए टूर करने के लिए। मुझे ना भूख लग रहा है, तो मैं सोच रही हूँ कि ये मैं मोची ले लूँ स्ट्रॉबेरी फ्लेवर वाला और ये पॉपकॉर्न। सो आई फाउंड समथिंग विच इज़ सिमिलर लाइक बाइट्स, इफ़ यू नो व्हाट बाइट इज़। लुक एट दिस, I got the vanilla flavor from here. We have finally almost reached the dolphinarium, and I can see like this blue color tomb ahead of me, and I'm so excited. Also, it's currently 1:32 and it's been a long journey to come here, but I'm so excited. Over there is the dolphinarium. Here we have the timings of all the shows and also like the map. उधर एक बैठा हुआ भी है। हाँ, वो बैठा हुआ देखा। भाई ये सी लायंस कितने बड़े हैं और कितने क्यूट है। Oh my god. Cute.
So the first show that we seen were of these seals, and you guys, they were so cute. Oh my god, they literally had like their own character and personality, which was so cool to watch. And they all had their own name, and the trainer would always like, whenever he would bring like a seal out, he would like give a quick introduction about them and when they were born, where they were born, also like their height, their weight, and the seal would also like point out to their ears, show their fins and stuff like that. It was just like very informative informative. They were also trained so well, because the whole time they were like watching the trainer's hands, and he would do like few sign languages which I feel like they understood, and they would just perform accordingly. And also in few clips you can see like the seal is a little bit angry, like he's making like these sounds and he's splashing water and stuff like that. But it was like a whole part of the act. They trained them to do stuff like that. Like the trainer, if you see closely, he was literally like moving his hands and showing the seal that he needs to splash water and stuff like that. Also, most of the things that they were speaking was actually in Dutch, but there were few things like written on the screen and stuff like that, which was very nice and informative. The next spot was this pond where they had sharks, rays, and different types of fishes. And you guys, the best part about it all was that you could pet them. They were also so cute and friendly. And look at this shark. I don't know, I think so it needed food or something, but it was just like coming on top of the water. Also, when the rays turn over, they look so cute. Like you can see their mouth and their gills, which literally looks like a face. The sharks and the rays had such cool print on them, and they all looked so unique and different. And also there was this one particular ray which reminded me of the movie Moana. If you know, you know. Also, when I was touching them, their texture was like rough and coarse. Initially I was a little bit scared to touch the sharks because of the first time that it was like coming out of the water, but later on I seen this little girl touching it. And you guys, the kids over there were all like so like brave. They were literally like putting their self half almost in the water and trying to touch the fishes. And then moving on to the most exciting part, you guys, which I actually just went there for this, was seeing the dolphins. I am in love with dolphins. I'm in love with like dolphins, orcas, whales, anything like that. So I was so amazed. I was like a kid over there. I felt like a kid. And also when the show was going on, I was like way away from it, because I was like in an area where these dolphins were just like in their natural habitat, and they were not performing or anything, but they were just like roaming around and stuff like that, which was so cool. And because of that I got like so many like close shots of the dolphins, because literally they were below me, because this performance that was going on was like way far away. Then we seen these walruses, and look at this one, he was literally like just rolling around. While I was there, I got to know a few facts about walruses, one of which is that after their mating season, it literally takes 16 months for the baby to be born. So they are pregnant for over a year, and the calf also like weighs 50 kilos after they are born, which is a lot. And the baby stays with its mother for almost 2 years to just drink its milk. The name walrus means whale horse, and the adult walruses are not much of a hunter. It's because of their size and strength. They literally just sit and lay around. But on the other hand, the young walruses go and hunt, and also like keep an eye on killer whales and polar bears who can like sort of attack them. Later we went to the show which was called Oceanica, which was so informative, and it was mostly catered towards dolphins. They also had this presentation going on simultaneously where they showed how dolphins evolved, and firstly how they were like land animals, and now they are like sea mammals. So when the dolphins are in the sea, killer whales aka orca and whales are a huge threat to them, because they sort of attack them, as well as humans are a huge threat to them, because mostly dolphins are like unintentionally just caught in like fishing nets and stuff like that, which sort of like affects the ecosystem. The whole presentation was like an awareness towards like sea life, sea creature, like the sea pollution that happens. And this dolphinarium also actively contributes to the organization of plastic soup activities. Now it's time for a few cool facts about dolphins, which I also actually never knew before. So dolphins basically sleep with half of their brain, which actually means that they shut down one hemisphere of their brain and close the opposite eye, which also allows the dolphin to like monitor what's going on around them and regulate breathing. And it's really cool because each side of dolphin's brain gets like 4 hours of sleep. Also, orcas, which are called killer whales, are actually like a part of the dolphin family. Dolphins are very chatty and they have great social skills, which make them an extrovert. Also, they create bonds with every single one, and every single dolphin also has like their own signature whistle so that others can recognize it. Just as how humans have like different names, they also have their own whistles. Before heading home, I wanted to go see the dolphins one last time, so we went back to the dolphin area. And while we were there, the trainer was feeding them. I suppose it was their dinner. Also, once they were done with their meal, the trainer literally like took their bowl and like put water in it and showed that there was nothing more inside it. Like it was done, they were done with their food. And at this time, they were literally just swimming and doing their thing. And this one dolphin was like flapping its fins. Also, when the trainers feed the dolphins, they do like a quick health checkup. They like check their teeth, their fins, and stuff like that.
So you guys, we finally got a bottle of water and my head is blasting because we did not eat anything the entire day, but we enjoyed a lot. So now we're on our way home and yeah, it's like a long journey.
And that is the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys soon. Love you.